just checked into the Strat Hotel. Look at this view, bro. What? Probably looks so much cooler on the top floor. But we got 20th floor, so that works for me. Here's our hotel room. Got a interesting looking bed. TV's on. Hold on. Smells like clean. That's good. Period. I should go to the bathroom. Checking out the bathroom. What are you trying to do? The go lights. Just a standard bathroom. Oh, look at that tub. Oh my gosh. That's a beautiful tub. Period. Period. Look at this golf course. And then, wait, period. Look at the tower. That's no time. Some tacos and some cauliflower bites. We have to go fix them in a second. There'll be some good pictures. I'm surprised he's not scared. Yeah, you live in group. It's just Circus Circus Drive, so it's alright. So colorful. It's wet paint, don't touch. Homeboy's passed out. Vamos! In the elevator.
Circus, circus!
Yeah, the floor's looking a little
Dude, on my nose.
interesting.
The floor is kind of scared.
Looks like duct tape. Our beautiful hotel room. I like the yellow. All the way over there.
I literally said all day.
Don't hit those thingies. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why the hotel rooms always look like crap, but everything else looks nicer.
Because you're not supposed to stay in.
Yeah, you can see the RV park from our window. You got a race, dude?
Let's do
Ready to play? Let's do this thing.
Yeah!
Yeah!
got it. Got it. Damn, look at you. Look at you carry it all. That's crazy.
Keeps dropping them.
It's not one, it's another.
At least the pool's open. Sorry for you. Are you cold? You're cold? Oh, warm. Hey, are you cold? Go in the water. Go in the water. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? He's like, I don't like. Yeah. How was that? 1, 2. Jump. 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 Some food. Oh, we can watch it all night.
Oh, that's the amusement.
Yeah, that's the Adventure Dome or whatever. And the windows. We got a new room. We got another broom because the other one smelled like marijuana.
It's the people across from us. Hotboxing the damn building.
Yeah, there's no AC or nothing in our room or a fan, so we got a different room. Period. It has a slightly better view, I think. Where are we at? God. Much I'm late, bro. It's so dark. That cashier thingy.
Period.
Yeah, you put it in the box. So a new wallet, yeah, and then we got some glasses for our mukbang. Yes. That was chomped inside. Bye, Mom. Yeah. Here we go, brother. Got started. Why am I wearing a dude suit? Give me the Jeep. I want the Jeep. Oh, I can change color. Oh. Oh, a video. Oh, it's taking a video. Whoa! Look at our picture. I won, bro. Oh my gosh, push that thing off. Ready? Whee! Whoa! Okay. I know, what have we been doing? Oh, so close. Yeah.
You couldn't throw a ball this far anyway.
Try again. Go.
Yeah, good job. He's not even playing anymore.
3, 2, 1,
All the way down to the yeah, you're going nowhere.